Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're comparing Shopify and Squarespace. If you're trying to decide which platform to build your site or store on, this video will give you a clear breakdown of what each does well, where they struggle, and which might suit your business best. First up, Shopify is built for e-commerce. If your main goal is selling products, especially physical ones, managing inventory, shipping, and scaling, Shopify was made for that. Everything from tracking stock levels to handling multiple locations, advanced payment gateways, and integrating with marketplaces tends to be more powerful and flexible. The App Store is huge, which means when you want a feature like subscriptions, advanced analytics, there's usually a plugin or extension that works well. By contrast, is more of a design plus content-first platform. If your priority is having a beautiful site with strong visuals, portfolios, blog content, galleries, or you sell a small catalog of products and want things to look polished out of the box, Squarespace shines. The templates are beautiful, editing is intuitive, and you can do a lot with layouts and styling without needing apps or code. When it comes to ease of use, Squarespace might feel more immediate, drag and drop, fewer settings to worry about, and things tend to look good even with minimal tweaking. Shopify can take a bit more setup, especially when you want to customize things or use advanced commerce features. But that extra setup pays off if you're growing fast or need more control over the selling side of things. Pricing is another area to compare. Squarespace tends to be cheaper for basic sites, especially if you don't need all the commerce bells and whistles. Shopify's plans cost more, but you're also getting more tools specifically built for selling. If your store grows, or you need lower transaction fees, better shipping options, or more sales channels, Shopify's higher plans often deliver more value. If you're more focused on content, branding, visual storytelling, selling a few products or services, Squarespace is probably simpler and more than enough. If you are or plan to be serious about online selling, want more integrations, want to scale, or need advanced control over shipping, inventory, checkout, and multi-channel sales, Shopify is likely to give you better long-term value. At the end of the day, there is no perfect choice for everyone. It depends on what you value more now, design simplicity versus commerce power, and how much you expect your store or site to grow. If this helped you decide, drop a comment telling me what your priorities are, visuals, selling features, budget, and I'll help you pick. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.